consultant neurosurgeon from KIMS Anandpur. I have attended a course held by Global Healthcare Academy for endoscopic procedures of spine. It's been conducted for 2 days. Day 1 we had transforaminal endoscopic discectomies, and day 2 we had interlaminar endoscopic procedures. So both the approaches are new to freshly cleared MCH neurosurgery or orthopedic people. So it is quite useful when you have hands-on workshops like this. So we expect more of such kind of workshops, which needs to be held, and these are obviously useful for people who are new to these techniques.